Bees are small insects, but they play a huge role in our world. These buzzing creatures are pollination powerhouses. They help plants grow, which means they help provide our food. Without bees, our world would be a much less colorful and tasty place. Imagine a world with fewer fruits, vegetables, and beautiful flowers. That's what life would be like without bees. Their hard work ensures that plants can reproduce and thrive. From the sweet nectar of flowers, bees create delicious honey. This golden liquid is not just a treat for us, it's their food store for the colder months. In this essay, we'll delve into the fascinating world of bees, exploring their incredible hive dynamics and the vital role each bee plays. A beehive is a marvel of nature, a bustling city inhabited by thousands of bees. It's a structure made from beeswax, a substance secreted by worker bees. The hive is made up of numerous hexagonal cells, perfectly shaped for storing honey and raising young bees. The hexagonal shape is incredibly efficient, using the least amount of wax to create the most storage space. Within this waxy metropolis, each bee has a specific role to play, contributing to the hive's overall success. At the heart of every hive is the queen bee, the largest bee and the only female to lay eggs. She is the mother of all the bees in the hive. The queen bee has a long lifespan, sometimes living for several years. Her primary role is to lay eggs, ensuring the continuation of the colony. She is constantly attended to by worker bees who feed her a special food called royal jelly, a nutrient-rich substance that contributes to her long life and egg-laying abilities. Worker bees are all female, and they are the busiest bees in the hive. Their lives are short, lasting only a few weeks, but they pack a lot into their short time. From the moment they emerge from their cells, worker bees are assigned different tasks throughout their lives. These tasks include cleaning the hive, feeding the larvae, building new comb, guarding the entrance, and of course, collecting nectar and pollen. Their tireless work ensures the hive's survival, providing food and maintaining the colony's home. Drone bees are the male bees in the hive. They are larger than worker bees, but smaller than the queen. Their role is simple: to mate with a queen bee. Drones do not have stingers and do not participate in hive maintenance or foraging. Their sole purpose is to mate with a virgin queen from another colony. After fulfilling their mating duties, drones die, having played their part in ensuring the continuation of the species. Bees are masters of communication, using a fascinating dance language to share information about food sources. This waggle dance is a marvel of the insect world. When a worker bee finds a good source of nectar or pollen, she returns to the hive and performs this dance. The dance involves a figure-8 pattern and waggling movements. The angle of the waggle, in relation to the sun's position, communicates the direction of the food source. The duration of the waggle indicates the distance. This intricate dance allows bees to share vital information about food with incredible precision. Finding a new home is a critical decision for a bee colony. When a hive becomes too crowded, the bees need to find a new location to establish a new colony. This process is a fascinating example of collective decision-making. Scout bees are sent out to search for potential nesting sites. When they return, they share information about the locations they've found through the waggle dance. The bees then engage in a democratic process. Different scout bees will advocate for their chosen sites, and the colony will eventually reach a consensus, choosing the best location for their new home. Honey, the sweet reward of the bees' hard work, is a testament to their remarkable abilities. It's created from the nectar of flowers, which worker bees collect and store in their honey stomachs. Back at the hive, they deposit the nectar into the honeycomb cells. The bees fan their wings over the nectar, helping to evaporate the water content and thicken it into honey. Honey provides the bees with essential energy and nutrients, especially during the colder months when flowers are scarce. Humans have also benefited from honey for centuries, using it as a natural sweetener and for its medicinal properties. Bees are more than just honey makers. They are essential pollinators, playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. As they move from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen, bees transfer pollen grains, enabling plants to reproduce. This process is crucial for the growth of fruits, vegetables, and countless other plants that make up our world's diverse flora. The health of our planet and the future of our food supply depend on these industrious insects. Protecting bees and their habitats is essential for ensuring a healthy and vibrant planet for generations to come.